Hello everyone, welcome to Justice English Academy. In today's lesson, you will learn 50 easy English questions and answers that you can use in everyday conversations. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Let's begin. Question 1. What is your name? My name is John. Repeat after me. What is your name? My name is John. Question 2. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Repeat after me. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Question 3. Where are you from? I'm from California. Repeat after me. Where are you from? I'm from California. Question 4. How old are you? I'm 20 years old. Repeat after me. How old are you? I'm 20 years old. Question 5. What do you do? I'm a student. Repeat after me. What do you do? I'm a student. Question 6. Where do you live? I live in Lagos. Repeat after me. Where do you live? I live in Lagos. Question 7. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. Repeat after me. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. Question 8. Can you help me? Yes, of course. Repeat after me. Can you help me? Yes, of course. Question 9. Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Repeat after me. Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Question 10. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is rice. Repeat after me. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is rice. Question 11. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. Repeat after me. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. Question 12. Where are you going? I'm going to work. Repeat after me. Where are you going? I'm going to work. Question 13. Can I sit here? Yes, please. Repeat after me. Can I sit here? Yes, please. Question 14. What are you doing? I'm reading a book. Repeat after me. What are you doing? I'm reading a book. Question 15. Can you repeat that? Sure. Repeat after me. Can you repeat that? Sure. Continue in the same way through. Questions 16 to 50 using everyday topics such as, what's your phone number? Where is the supermarket? How much is this? What day is today? What month is it? Can I ask you a question? Do you understand? Can you speak more slowly? Where's the bus stop? What's your favorite color? What time do you wake up? Do you like music? Can you write it down? Are you ready? See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Goodbye. For each question, 1. Read the question. 2. Read the answer. 3. Say repeat after me. 4. Repeat both the question and answer. Excellent work. You have practiced 50 useful English questions and answers. Watch this lesson again and repeat every sentence until you can speak confidently. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Justice English Academy, and turn on notifications for more English lessons. See you in the next lesson.